In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Black Ops 6 packet burst. So in case you're experiencing the so-called packet burst, here's how you can try and fix it quickly and easily. So inside your game, you want to click at the very top right, this settings icon over here in the menu tab. This will open up your settings, and then you want to click graphics here in the middle. Now, once you go inside the graphics tab, you then want to make sure it's popped up at the display tab up here, which is usually the default tab, so to the very left. And in here, you want to go over here where it says restart shaders preloading. Click this. And then over here, you'll get this pop-up which says restart shader preloading, delete the shader cache and restart preloading. This action would only take effect after a restart of the game. Simply press restart and wait for the process to finish up. Once that's done, restart the game and see if that's working for you. And hopefully it will. It did for me and for many other people. If it doesn't, there's one more thing you can do. Now, what you can do is simply press down the power button and hold it down. So on your computer or console, it will work for both actually. Just hold it down, whether it's your laptop, PC, console, whatever you have. Hold it down, hold down your power button, which will ultimately shut down the computer and just clear the entire memory and all the possible cache memory that's currently going on and could be causing this packet burst issue over here. So simply close it down, and then once it powers off and shuts down, wait for like a minute or so, maybe even less, it doesn't really matter. Then simply reopen your computer and run the game again and see if the packet burst issue has been resolved. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.